Hey guys, today I'm sharing with you a guest design team project for In Love Art Shop, and I'll have all the links down below. But don't forget that if you use my code, you get 15% off, and my code is J-23701, and I'll have that down in the description box, as well as the link for this Happy Halloween bat and spider web set that's on sale for $5.18 right now. So let's get on into what I made. So I'm doing a little happy mail creating right here, and I thought it'd be really fun to put this bat together. And so I have a little short tutorial on how to paper piece this together. And then I also use the little web die to decorate or embellish my little bow here. And I'm sending my friend some little Halloween jimmies, and I thought this little bat, she turned out so cute. I love her little eyelashes, and I love all the little details in this. I just think it is precious. Anyway, don't forget to visit In Love Art Shop, and again, my discount code for 15% off is J-23701. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started.